Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into coding or already building big projects in 2025, there's a good chance you've heard about Vscode and Pycharm. But with these AI tools now baked into our editors, which one actually gives you the best experience? Let's break down Vscode versus Pycharm and figure out which is the best AI code editor in 2025. So, starting with VS Code, it's lightweight, super customizable, and honestly, it's leading the way this year with AI integration. With tools like GitHub Copilot, CodeWhisperer, and even ChatGPT plugins, VS Code gives you a real-time, intelligent coding buddy. And what's great is you can hook any extension for almost anything, from debugging to Docker to full stack development with just a few clicks. And now in 2025, VS Code's AI is more than just autocomplete. It helps you refactor, write tests, and even explains what certain blocks of code do. Whether you're coding in Python, JavaScript, or Go, it's all there. Now let's talk about PyCharm. This one's later made for Python developers. It comes with deep code analysis, smart suggestions, and now with built-in AI assistance by JetBrains. You can get powerful inline code explanation, test generation, and bug detection. PyCharm might feel heavier than VS Code, but for large Python projects, it's more structured and efficient. So, here's the real difference. If you're working most in Python and one top-notch project handling with smart AI feedback, PyCharm is amazing. But if you want work across multiple languages and want speed, flexibility, and tons of AI integration, VS Code is still hard to beat. Alright guys, the base AI code editor in 2025 really depends on what you're building. VS Code wins for versatility while PyCharm shines in deep Python work. Let me know in the comments what you're using and which AI tools has helped you most this year. If you want this helpful, drop a like, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a future coding comparison. See you in next one.